Okay, so what I've been thinking was maybe I should do some type of vlog on a project that I'm working on. So the videos I'm making with organizing are things that I know very well and I can think about them and then present to you. But I tend to always work on a project to basically expand my own knowledge and things regarding organizing. Now, the thing that I'm working on in these last couple of weeks I started working on, and I'll be working on for quite a while, is actually a capsule wardrobe. So being super organized with the clothes that I buy, I have, and how I utilize them. And it's really interesting. So I thought I might do a few vlogs of how I'm evolving with style and the capsule wardrobe, and potentially there are a few pointers that can help you in not only having a decluttered and organized wardrobe, but also to feel comfortable and stylish while you're at it. Okay. So for starters, this is basically my signature look. My red jacket, it's still cold. Sunglasses, I always wear a white shirt, black pants and black shoes. So that's my signature look with one of my two handbags, and that is a really good starting point because you really can't go wrong and you look professional as well as not too intimidating for most occasions. Okay, stay tuned because I'll give a few more updates as we go along.